Hello friends, today we are going to see the detailing of reinforcement gauge for the board cost sensitive pile foundation. Normally, pile reinforcement gauges are provided in separate parts as per the site condition and drawing so as to ease the execution part. In our case, our pile depth is 17.146 meter from the cutoff level, so I decided to provide in two parts as top gauge and bottom gauge. It may be vary as per the site condition and drawing. We can provide three gauges, namely top, middle, bottom gauges for 24 meter length pile. First of all, we need to understand the approved drawing. The following details are very clearly shown. First one is pile is 1000 mm dia and circular in shape. Second one is there is no lap zone to be provided from the cutoff level for 8 meter length. Third one is development length of the pile reinforcement to be embedded in the pile cap as 47D. Fourth one is lap length of top and bottom gauge of main reinforcement will be 47D and staggered lap to be provided as per IS 456. Reinforcement bars are FE 500D grade. Next one is top gauge reinforcement will be 18 numbers of 32 dia bars. Then bottom gauge reinforcement will be 18 numbers of 16 dia bars. Spirals are 8 dia reinforcement bars at 150 center to center. 16 dia stiffeners to be provided at 1.5 meter center to center spacing. 4 numbers of sonic pipes to be provided for the entire length of pile to do non-destructive testing. 16 dia reinforcement bar to be provided for the entire length of the pile separately from the main reinforcement for earthing strip purpose. Then cover block. The bottom and side covers to be 75 mm. The length of the pile will be decided as per the site condition. In this case, I have encountered a hard rock layer at a depth of 17.146 meter from the cutoff level. So the pile reinforcement gauge should be manufactured for a length of 17.146 meter. In case of frictional pile, the depth of the pile may be terminated as per the approved drawing. Bar bending schedule is to be prepared and approval of the same is to be obtained from the competent authority. The verification of the pile gauge at the site, like the length of the reinforcement, spacing and numbers of the bars, is to be verified as per the approved BBS. Now we need to ensure the numbers of bars provided as per the approved drawing. There will be 18 numbers of 32 dia reinforcement for top gauge. We can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And another thing is 50% of bars to be lapped at one section as per IS 456. 50% of 18 numbers is 9 numbers. So 9 numbers to be lapped at one section and another 9 numbers to be lapped at another section. The minimum staggering distance between the laps is 1.3 into lap length. Apart from main reinforcement, there will be a 116 dia reinforcement bar is provided along the pile length. This can act as a earthing strip. Now we can count the numbers of bars provided for the bottom gauge. There will be a 18 numbers of 16 dia reinforcement to be provided for bottom reinforcement and 4 numbers of sonic pipes is provided from throughout the length of the pipe and it is properly sealed at the bottom and at the lap location. The bottom gauge reinforcement is also staggered as per the IS 456. 9 numbers is at one location and another 9 numbers is at another location. We can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This block is so called cover block. This one. This block is what I have provided in the gauge. It is a dia of 150 mm and provided a hole at center, so it can provide a cover of 75 mm. It will be provided in the spiral ring, so the 75 mm cover at each side will be maintained. Now there is a time to inspect the length of the reinforcement. First we can check the top gauge length. That for top gauge there is two types of length are there. First one is 10 meter 250 and another one is 11 meter 150. Side by side we can check the spacing of the spiral also. There is a 8 dia reinforcement at a spacing of 150 center to center. We can check now. It is properly spaced at 150, 300, 450 and so on. In bottom gauge also there are two lengths of reinforcements are there. One is 8 meter 150 and another one is 9 meter 150. In this gauge also spiral rings are provided at a spacing of 150 center to center properly. In this reinforcement is so called stiffener. It is also provided at a center to center of 1.5 meter. Now the detailing of the reinforcement gauge is completed. The pile after reaching its final depth, it will be inserted in. First the bottom gauge is lifted and inserted into the pile by the piling rig and supported at the top of the temporary casing like this. Now the top gauge is lifted by the piling rig and positioned directly above the bottom gauge, which was already inserted in the pile. After the proper positioning, the lapping of the top and bottom gauge will be done as per the approved drawing and spiral ring will be provided. Finally the whole gauge will be inserted into the pile. This is how the pile gauge will looks like after completion of the provision of spiral ring and lapping of the bottom and top gauge. After completion of all the processes, the pile gauge will be inserted by. After completion of all these processes, concreting will take place as per the approved methodology by Trimi concreting method. I will show you and explain you in the next video how the Trimi concrete will be done. Thank you.